so welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be getting my eyebrows threaded for the first time, and I just thought that I would bring you guys along with me for the experience, I guess, and to see the procedure and what's not. I'm sorry for the camera, but it's on the phone mode. Anyways, so yeah, I'm going to get that done, and I'll ask her questions, I guess, and I'll try to record the entire process, but it's kind of hard to record and get your because usually my eyes are closed when I'm getting my eyebrows done. So we'll see how that goes. Anyways, I'll check in with you guys when I get there. Just procedure. Okay, so you guys already know what this video is going to be about. I just came to fill you in on some of the blank parts of the video because obviously I was recording myself and I have my eyes closed, so I just came to fill in any gaps in the clips that showed my eyebrows. This is 3 days after, just to update you guys, and there's still no hair, and the swelling has gone down. Yeah, that's just kind of a small update.
You have a very nice natural arch going on. I'm not one for thin brows, and I go with great, and I go with the closest to what your natural eyebrow look is, taking your eye shape and bone structure into consideration. Yeah, so here we go, your first threading. Translate. So I'll do the top so that you have a look, since it's your first threading with me, and then we'll do the bottom.
How long does it usually last? It depends on
how long does your waxing usually last?
About
You can add on another few days or a week to that, because it does allow for a cleaner finish.
you do tinting and stuff like that too?
Yes. So you see how we have a nice natural arch coming.
So it's just normal thread that you do close with?
It's all cotton, but normal thread I found to be too thin and makes it painful for you because it tugs your actual hair strands more. This is a special weave, special thickness thread just for the sake of hair removal. It's a bit stronger. Just try to relax your face as much as possible, because then that all changes the shape of your rose. Look at the tops. Remember your brow does a little natural dip there. There is hair there, but it's thinner. I'm not going to take it off.
Okay.
So we line up here and here, and your arches are even as well. So we're going to do the bottom now. We'll do the right one first.
But in this next clip, you guys are going to see the end. But obviously I didn't record the bottom because she did both, but I didn't get to record the bottom because I had to hold my eyebrows for her. So basically what I had to do, I had to pull down my lid like this with my index finger, and then pull up my forehead like this so that she could get all the hairs and she would have the shape of the eyebrow, I guess you can say perfected. But I did that on both sides, and obviously I was using both hands, so I couldn't hold and record, and I just did the opposite side like this, and then she just threaded the bottom of the eyebrows. I just want to say that I really loved my eyebrows, and I still do, and she was really thorough. She explained why she was doing what she was doing, and she just walked me through everything that she did, and she was really thorough and she made me feel very comfortable, and I would recommend her to you guys. I'm going to leave her Instagram and stuff in the description box so you guys can follow her Instagram and book your appointments, because it really was worth it. The pain level, I would say it wasn't painful to me, but I have a high pain tolerance, so it may be painful to you. But obviously I had a few tears because of where the hair was being removed from, and any hair removal I think brings tears to your eyes. So yeah, that's that. I don't think I missed anything. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this short video on me getting my eyebrows started for the first time, and I really like them, and they still have the thickness and stuff, so I really like that. I don't really fancy thin eyebrows at all. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and turn on the little bell so you guys will be notified whenever I post a new video. Bye.